If, like me, you live in Herefordshire or in Gloucestershire, then you live within the bounds of a project called Fastershire. Now, Fastershire, since 2012, has been working on improving broadband speeds in this area. And if you do live here, the chances are you will benefit from access to greater broadband speeds. When Fastershire started, only 0.6% of premises in Herefordshire could get superfast speeds. Today, 96% can get 30 megabits per second and over 70% can get gigabit broadband. Those figures for Gloucestershire are 97% can get 30 megabits per second and 66% can get gigabit. To do this, Fastershire have contracted a number of internet service providers. These include GigaClear, Full Fibre, Airband and BT. And there are many other internet service providers out there. To find out which one you might be able to connect to, simply go to the Fastershire website where there's a simple postcode checker where you can put your details in and they will tell you which ones are available in your area. As Fastershire comes to an end, the next big leap forward in broadband technology is going to be run by the UK government's Project Gigabit programme. The aim here is to cover 85% of the country with gigabit capable speeds by the end of 2025 and at the end of 2030 to take this nationwide. If, like me, you're one of the small number of homes and businesses that is still struggling with slow broadband speeds, there are a couple of options available to you until Project Gigabit brings fibre to your door. One option that can work pretty well is 4G broadband. This effectively uses the mobile network to bring broadband into your house. You often need to put up an external antenna, but it works pretty well and can bring 30 or so megabits per second into your property. There's a short film we've made about 4G broadband that you can find on the Fastershire website that is all about how broadband and 4G can work together to bring you coverage in Herefordshire and Gloucestershire. There's another option you can choose, and it's the one that I've chosen, which is to go with Starlink satellite. It works by having a low Earth orbit satellite that beams internet to and from a little dish that you stick on the side of your house, and it works very well. You can get 200 megabits per second download and 20 megabits per second upload, and I really like it. However, it can be pricey. The equipment itself can be £500, £600, £700 and it costs £75 per month. So you may think it's worth it and it works well, or you may think that's just a little bit beyond the pale. The Fastershire project has brought better broadband speeds to thousands of properties throughout Herefordshire and Gloucestershire. But there is more to be done. If you want to find out more about broadband, then go to the Fastershire website where there's also a link that will take you to updates about Project Gigabit.